Do you get heel pain when you take your first few steps in the morning? My name is Bhavin, and I'm a Master's of Physical Therapy student from Western University. Today, let's talk about some exercises and stretches for plantar fasciitis. So basically, this is inflammation of the plantar fascia. So this is the thick band of tissue that supports the arch of your foot. It gets tight overnight, and then when you go to stand up, it stretches suddenly, which can often cause pain. Some of the things that can cause this are overuse, so when you're running or standing jobs, or if you have flat feet or a very high arch, or proper, like poor footwear. And yes, old shoes can be the problem. What you can do to prevent the disease. So the first is going to be maintaining a healthy weight. This can help lower the stress on your foot, reduce kind of the pressure that is placed on the plantar fascia. Next is going to be wearing shoes that fit well and support your arch. So replace your shoes before the padding or shock absorption wears out. And avoid walking or standing in bare feet or sandals for long periods of times. And lastly, stretches and movements. So let's talk a little bit more about those. The first is going to be using an ice bottle massage. So just take a plastic bottle, fill it about 3/4 of the way up with tap water, and then just put it in the freezer. And then basically sit on a chair and put the ice bottle on the floor on its side and slowly roll your foot over the bottle. Then press gently into the bottle to massage the painful areas. You can do this for 10 to 15 minutes several times a day, but you want to make sure that each time you ice, you're just making sure that you're letting the tissue like warm up fully. So give it a few hours between each cycle. Another thing you can do is towel curls. So just sit in a chair, place your foot on a towel, and then scrunch the towel towards your toes. And also you can push the towels away. You can make this harder by putting something heavy on it, whether it's like a soup can or something like that. Another thing you can do is marble pickups. So just get something small, whether it's rocks or marbles, and then put the marbles into a cup using your feet. You can also do this stretched, where you're kind of standing on the edge of a staircase and then slowly bring yourself down. And hold that stretch for 15 to 30 seconds to tighten your calves, and then you can do that 2 to 4 times or so. And as always, be sure to talk to a licensed healthcare professional for personalized advice.